Good morning, people! Happy?
New Year's. Merry Christmas.
Happy Sunday!
Sunday in Korea.
Is it Sunday today? Yeah.
Sunday in Korea.
Happy Sunday, guys. We will pack kasi we will check out and we will move to
Somewhere not as nice.
DAISO Hotel.
DAISO Hotel.
I'm pretty sure it's nice. It's just like not as nice as here. Yung plano sana namin is dito na lang. Chinek namin sa kanila. Ang mahal pala dito, guys. How much was this?
A night?
Yeah.
I think $550.
$550. Ang mahal niyan. Tapos 2 nights pa kaya kami dito. So, ang mahal niya. Natapos na kami mag-breakfast. So, nag-buffet breakfast kami. Hindi na ako nag-vlog kasi na-vlog ko na yun kahapon. Ito, guys. Kainan na ni Don. Thank you so much, VT Cosmetics. Hindi ako nakapag-pack kagabi kasi sobrang late na namin dumating dito. And pagod na din kami.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone.
Ayan, guys, tapos na. Okay na lahat. Na-check na din namin lahat. OOTD ko, guys. This is from Philippines. Actually, may nag-send sa akin ito. Meron ata siyang shop. Parang galing siyang Taytay. I will do my best to find it and then leave her Facebook link in the description box. My jeans is from H&M. So, yung top, inano ko lang siya. Tinay ko lang siya dito. Tapos may pa. May pa-chan tayo ngayon. And then, my jeans is from H&M. Yung ano, kinat ko siya, guys, dito. Kasi mahaba to sa akin. So, kinat ko siya. Ayan. And then, I'm wearing the shoes. Yes. And then, the bag. Yung Clapton ko na bag. Yun lang. And my earrings. Oh, diba? 1,000 won galing sa kagabi, sa Hongdae.
Alright, so I'm wearing a Guess t-shirt from Guess in South Korea. My $5 shorts from Harbour Town in South Australia. And my, I don't know, Hannaback shoes from Rebel Sport.
Wow.
Just like a Logan.
Do you really have to say the price?
I do. They get a full outfit. So,
oh, turn around, turn around. Wow. Okay. Naka-check out na kami, guys. Binigyan kami ni Kuya nito. So, sinulat niya yung address ng bagong hotel na pupuntahan namin at saka yung pangalan din. Ang cute. Diba? Hindi ko siya maintindihan. Siya yung sumulat. Sabi niya, ibigay lang daw to sa driver para mabilisan lang. Ang tingnan yung aking pimple. Nilagyan ko yan ng Mario Badescu kagabi pero nandyan pa rin siya. Chark Ayota Deluxe Taxi. Meron na sanang pumunta kaninang puti, yung local taxi. Ayaw nila kaming isakay. Hindi ko alam kung bakit sila lang nag-uusap nila, Kuya. Malapit lang kami eh. Baka kasi hindi nila tatanggapin kasi malapit lang kami. Thank you!
70.
70! Ah, good!
21.
Strong! Baby! He's a baby. You're a baby babe. Thank you, bye! He's really nice. Dito na kami, guys. DAISO Hotel, Myeongdong. So, ito, mas malapit pa tayo sa Myeongdong. Walking distance lang. Nakita namin yung Myeongdong dun. Okay, let's go! Open! Otto. Thank you. Nandito na kami, guys. Iniwan lang namin yung luggage namin kasi hindi pa kami pwede mag-check-in. Yung check-in nila is 3 pa. So, Dan's just working out where we will go next. Busog si Danny Boy. Babe, busog ka. Busog? Yeah?
No.
I'm talking about your belly. Are you busog?
Nope.
Hindi pa siya busog niya na. Where are we going again, my love?
Well Tower. Lotte.
Yeah, Lotte World Tower. It's about like an hour train ride from Myeongdong. So, nandito na kami. Pababa na kami sa Myeongdong train station. May Pilipino, tumingin siya sa akin. Hello, kuya. It's cheap. Alright, let's go. Mura lang. Dito na kami guys sa Jamsil Station. No, it says on your thing, go to exit 1.
Yeah. That's exit 1 or?
Exit 1, oh, see? 1, 2, that one's 3, 4, 5, 6. Sabi, 1, 2, 2, 1, yun, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, dito tayo. Jamsil. Okay guys, so pag exit nyo sa exit 1, makikita nyo yung Lotte World Mall. Sabi ni Dan, itong Lotte World Tower daw is the 5th tallest
building in the world.
5th tallest building in the world.
Yeah. Where's the first tallest building?
Dubai.
That's right.
And gusto niyang pumunta ng Dubai para pumunta doon sa tallest building. Ah, okay. Nandun guys. Asan yun, babe? Yan?
That's it.
Yan guys. Yan ha.
Thank you, my love.
Guys, punta tayo doon. Seoul Sky Observation Deck. So, nandito siya sa basement nung pinasukan natin kanina. And nandun ata yung information sa loob at saka ticket office.
Thank you.
탑승하시는 스카이 탑승 지하 2층부터 117층까지 1분 안에 올라갑니다. 타임랩스 영상과 함께 출발하도록 하겠습니다.
조선시대 경복궁 근전선에서 시작하여 근대의 광화문거리, 한강을 중심으로 한 현대서울의 발전 모습과 롯데월드 타워의 건설 모습을 감상하실 수 있습니다. You can follow in the footsteps of Seoul's transformation into a modern city, beginning with Kunjeongjin Hall at Gyeongbokgung Palace,
How cool was that?
built in the Joseon Dynasty, and onto Gwanghwamun Street and the Han River during the early modern times. While on the left, you can watch how Lotte World Tower was built as well.
Oh, cool. That is all.
Guys, andito na kami sa taas. Ang cool. Grabe. It's very cool, isn't it?
Very cool.
Very cool, guys. Kung mahilig kayo sa mga ganito, it's really good. I highly recommend it. How much is it?
$25 each.
25 Australian dollars each. Pero okay na siya. Maganda. Right? Worth it?
Yeah, it's worth it, definitely.
Very worth it. Ang ganda, guys. Ang ganda, grabe. Isa yan sa mga view. Pero iikot pa tayo mamaya. Sabi ni Dan, there's a really good one na masusurprise daw ako or masusyok ako.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Okay, let's go. Ang dami ng tao, guys.
I think we can go on different levels here.
Okay. We're going up.
We're going to heaven.
Paakyat siya, guys. Meron silang iba-ibang levels. How many levels?
I think there's 3.
Okay. So, nasa...
That's what it's talking about.
Oh, ito daw yung sabi ni Dan na masushook daw ako. Tingnan ko nga kung masushook ba ako. Ay.
Walk on the glass.
Ay. Ay. Oh my gosh. Shocking. Hello, guys. Tingnan nyo, ha? Are you guys ready? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Alam, nakakatakot siya. Nakakatakot. Oh my goodness. Parang gumagalaw. Bakit parang gumagalaw? Natatakot siya. Ayaw niya pumunta doon. Did go on it?
I did!
You did?
Yeah. I'm a big boy, so you know what's going to happen.
Okay, I'm gonna do that. Ano? Masisira? Let's do it then. Ay, cute. Yan mo si Kuya. Scary?
Yeah.
Yung mga takot sa heights, hindi talaga kaya ng mga takot sa heights. Meron pa dito sa kabila, guys. So, kabilaan tong ganto. Parang mas malaki ata itong dito kasi wala siya nung photo area. Yung kabila kasi may photo area. Olo, si Dudong na talaga ang nagja-jump. Sila na talaga. Ay, the other one's clearer. Mas clear yung kabila, guys. Mas maganda dun sa kabila. Mas malinis. Ah, diba? Dito kami sa... Where are we? Heaven.
Wally World. The highlight of the tower. The highlight of it all. The lollies.
Dito siya sa, ano, third na...
Nah, I won't get any.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Up to you. 3,800 won. Banana. Isa banana? Love hearts. May mga loli guys. Oh, ayun, nagbago ang isip niya. Okay, let's go. Meron pa pala guys. Ito na yung pangatlong escalator. Pataas. So parang ito na yung pang-apat na level. Galing sa observation deck. Dito tayo sa Sky Terrace. So, labas tayo.
Beautiful.
Oh, nice. This reminds me of the one that we went to New York. Yeah, meron din silang pang outside na ganito. It's really cool, babe. Really cool.
롯데월드 단지의 야경과 축제를 감상하시겠습니다. 롯데월드 타워를 중심으로 한 불꽃놀이쇼와 서촌호수 공원 등 야경의 아름다움을 느끼실 수 있습니다. Now it's time to take a look at the night village festivals near the Lotte World Complex. With Lotte World Tower at the center, you can enjoy a variety of attractions that look beautiful during the night, including the fireworks show and spiritual night.
이걸로 안 해.
하늘 위의 새로운 세상, 서울 스카이를 찾아주시.
Okay, paglabas, merong Soul Sky Shop. Makikita mo ang mga souvenir na mga mahal. Not bad. 3,000 won. My phone? No. I don't have my phone. Hindi na siya nagpapaprank sa atin. Look. Bracelet at saka ring na pagganap. Guys, hinahanap na namin ang food court. Sabi ni Dan, mayroon daw malaking food court dito sa building lang na to. We went to Line Friends Shop and we just got dalawang bagay lang. Maghuhol naman ako after nito. Where are we going? Do you know where we're going?
I don't know, it could be straight that way as well. There was like themed restaurants are that way.
Okay. Maybe, let's check the signs. They have signs, so. Dito kami sa food court, B2. Basement 2. Meron silang maraming pagkain dito, guys. Kain tayo, gutom na ako. Anong oras na? Mag-alas 2 na ata ng hapon. Bread agad-agad, babe. Look. Wow. Hala, that's mine. Wait up. Burger steak with egg and potatoes and kimchi and I don't know what that is. And it's hot.
Kanin tayo.
Kain tayo. Guys, nandito kami. Di ba bumaba kami sa basement kanina? Basement 2. Umakyat kami ulit kasi wala kami nagustuhan doon. And ito yung aking burger steak. Doon ako nag-order sa Golden Kitchen. Tapos si Dan, nag-order siya dyan. Yun na siya lang. Dyan nag-order si Dan. Dyan. Tingnan nyo yung kay Dan, guys. Ang laki. How much was yours?
9,500.
Really? Mine was 12,000. Mahal yung akin, 12,000. Mas masarap pa ang Jollibee Burger Steak dito. Tapos na kami kumain, guys. Now we're going to DAISO. DAISO. Sabi nila maganda daw yung DAISO ng Korea. Tapos ang dami daw. So we're here. Ready? Hala, babe.
Okay.
5,000 won. So mga $6. $6-7. Ang dami lang organizer dito, guys. Tas mga mura lang. Ito, 1,000 won. So, $1.50 lang. Bumili ako nito. Bibili ako nito. Para lalagyan ng mga vitamins ko. Pag nag-travel, kasi ngayon, yung dala ko, yung buong bote talaga ng vitamin D. So, at least may lalagyan na ako. Gusto ko sana yung mas maliit. Ito. Kaya lang, ano siya, wala siyang puti. Gusto ko puti lang eh. Meron namang puti dito, pero hindi ko naman gusto yung nakalagay first care. Okay lang siguro to, no? Ito na lang. Okay lang to. Okay lang to. Meron penguin sleepy. Cute din yan. Wait. Tingnan natin yung hinahanap ko na organizer sana is yung para siyang ano, yung hindi din parang ganito lang. Diyan lang. Ganyan lang ba? Parang slice ng pizza yung ano ba, yung size. Lalagay ko sana dun sa wall. Lalagyan ko ng mga perfume. Kaya lang hindi yan. Kasi gusto ko isa lang eh. 'Di ba? Ang arte-arte. Ang daming request. Wala siya dito guys. Pero mura lang siya. Like ito oh. $6. Ganyan. Mura lang yung mga organizer nila. Meron din silang bentang ganito oh. Yung same nung sa Japan. 1,000 won yung isa. Hindi siya nakapack ba? Ayan. Tapos may mga ganito. May mga ganyan. Ito maganda to oh. Dalawa na siya. What is it, my love?
Bowls.
For what?
Smell good.
Oh, okay. For the house?
Yeah.
Sige.
It's like $1.
Okay.
How much
Try
is
niya
this
daw
one?
niya guys.
Well, this one's 1,000. You get 200
Pound.
grams. And how much is it? You get 140. It's got these. Smells like
That's
hazelnut coffee.
2,000. Okay.
Yeah, but that's only 1,000.
Coffee?
Coffee. Let's give it a
Hazelnut?
shot. Hazelnut coffee.
Okay.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Up to you. There's more here. Peach. Peach is good. Ooh, peach smells good. Here, I'll choose this one. Okay.